Hello friends, I'm Nikki and welcome to your kitchen. Today we will prepare a delightful and nutritious dish, cabbage sabji. It's incredibly easy to make and exceptionally delicious to eat. So without any further delay, let's get started. Heat a pan over a medium heat and add mustard seeds. Once they start crackling, add cumin seeds and asafoetida. You can add some green chilies if you want. Now mix the cabbage and potatoes well. After mixing it, you have to add some spices. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder and coriander powder. Mix it well again. Then add dash of water and mix it again. Now add some salt as per the taste. We need to wait a bit while our vegetables are cooking. At least 10 to 12 minutes you have to wait, and then after this time you have to remove the lid of the pan and mix it, check it, is it ready or not. After that you have to add some chopped tomatoes and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Cook for another 5 minutes. All vegetables are cooked, and finally garnish with fresh coriander and our cabbage sabji is ready. Enjoy this delicious and nutritious dish